A new regulator should glide like new, but even a perfect part can bind up if something goes wrong during the install. The most common cause? Glass misalignment. If the glass isn't seated in the guide track, it'll pull unevenly and start to bind, even if the regulator is installed correctly. Another one, over-tightening bolts too early. If you lock it down before the system's aligned or cycled, the regulator can twist under tension and cause resistance right from the start. You'll also want to watch for cable tension issues, especially on cable-driven designs. If the cable's misrouted or pinched behind the door hardware, you'll get clicking, hesitation, or worse, a damaged strap. If you hear anything clicking, binding, or dragging, now's the time to fix it. Once the panel's back on, it's twice the work. Avoiding kinks and binds starts with a careful install and ends with a quiet, confident result that doesn't come back.